Have you ever felt like your day disappears before you even start? As busy students with lectures, deadlines, jobs, and personal commitments, we often struggle to manage our time. And sometimes it feels impossible to stay organized and motivated. But here's the good news. Time management is a skill you can improve. And the more innovative your system is, the easier life becomes. Today, we want to share some practical methods that help us stay efficient. We'll talk about the 80-20 method, Kanban boards, SMART goals, and why scheduling free time is just as important as scheduling work.
Let's start with the 80-20 method, also called the Pareto principle. It's a very simple idea. 80% of your results come from only 20% of your actions. This means that not all tasks are equally important. Some tasks have a big impact, while others only take time without bringing real process. For example, rewriting your notes perfectly will not improve your exam performance. But doing practicing questions will improve your result. These are the tasks that belong to the 20% that actually create results. To use this method, I ask only myself one question every morning. Which task today will give me the biggest process? Once I know this answer, I make the task my top priority. It helps me to stay focused and reduce stress because I know I'm working on the things that really matter. The second method we use is turning the to-do list into a Kanban board. A normal way to-do list can feel endless, but a Kanban board organizes your task into 3 simple columns: to do, doing, and done.
This method comes from project management and innovation processes. It works so well because you can see your progress. When you move a task from doing to done, it feels rewarding and motivating, almost like a small celebration of productivity. You can use the tool Trello or even sticky notes on a wall. The important thing is that you keep your doing column very small. This prevents multitasking, which is one of the biggest time killers. When you focus on 1 or 2 tasks at a time, you finish them faster and with better quality.
The next method is using SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Many students say, I want to study more, but this goal isn't clear enough to guide you a day. A SMART goal turns into something measurable. For example, I will study for 45 minutes every morning from Monday to Friday to prepare for my exam next week. This goal is specific, what you will do. Measurable, 45 minutes a day. Achievable, this is a realistic goal. Relevant, it helps you prepare for your exam. And time-bound is from Monday to Friday. SMART goals help you stay on track and avoid unrealistic expectations. They turn big tasks into small ones, manageable steps, which is especially helpful when you're studying and working at the same time.
And now, something many people forget about: planning in free time. It sounds simple, but it's one of the most important time management skills. If you don't plan your breaks, your brain never gets the recovery it needs. When your schedule is full, you need to protect your free time. I block it in my calendar just as I block my classes or work shifts. For example, plan in when you want to go to the gym, go for a walk, or meet your friends and family. When free time is planned, you don't feel guilty for taking a break. And when you go back to studying afterwards, you're more focused and more productive. So to sum it up, time management isn't about being perfect. It's about choosing the right strategies that help you stay focused and balanced. These are the tools that help us to manage our busy schedules, and they can support you too. Start small, try out one method, and see what fits your lifestyle.
If there's one message we want to remember, it's this: you don't need to do everything at once. Choose one method, try it for a week, and build your own system step by step. Because when you manage your time consciously, you don't just survive your studies, you can actually enjoy them. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right tools, you can design your time in a smarter, more innovative way. Thank you.